Okay, you guys, how are y'all? I hope y'all are doing really good. I know I look rough, but I mean, I'm cleaning and organizing, so I didn't really see a need to have a big face to get dressed for this, but I really need to organize. I need to get rid of a lot of the makeup products that I have. I don't ever come over to this vanity anymore, and I think it's because I just have way too much going on here. A lot of this stuff, when I thought about it for a second, is really old. So I just need to start throwing stuff away. I just need to scale it down, like scale it back a little bit. So I'm just gonna start and we're gonna see where this goes. So here we go. Okay guys, so when I originally got this vanity, I separated and organized most of my items into these drawers. The item that I have the most of is lipsticks, and I know for a fact a lot of these lipsticks are literally like 3 years old. That'll probably be the bulk of what I get rid of. These additional containers right here, I actually brought in from my bedroom because I have a big mirror in there, and I found that I tend to wake up and just do my makeup there. But I wanted to make sure those items were in here while I'm getting rid of things, so I can really know what I actually have, right? So we got a lot going on here. My goal really here is not so much the organization at this point. It's more so to get rid of things. Because a lot of new makeup has come out, but I found that I'm not really buying it because I'm like, I already have a lot. I have a lot, but it's not stuff that I'm using, and it's not things that I truly should be using because it's old as hell. All right, I'm gonna stop talking and just get to work. So basically, anything that is ColourPop can go because they're so old. I'm going to keep this. So I used to work for Virgin Atlantic, and I don't know if you can see that. Virgin Upper Class Red. I'm not going to get rid of this. I'm not going to use it either, but I think it's cool to have. Keep that. and they're full. But even though I definitely tossed quite a bit, I'm really proud of myself. I think I need to do a second pass at some of these things that I kept. Look what we got rid of. Can you guys believe that this was just sitting in my vanity? But yeah, just wanted to show you guys all of the things that are going in the trash. Yeah, that's what we got, guys. That's what we got.